Alright, come on. Fire, time for you to push me. We're gonna go pick apples. Come on, Nat, pull.
Okay.
I pulled you. Oh my God, bruh. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Oh my God. All right, bro. I got it. Yeah. Oh, I tell you.
See, I can carry you.
You can't carry me.
Thank you.
Whatever. Yes. Why you not picking your own? We haven't got to the apple part yet. Where the other people at? They somewhere in the fields. We're in the fields. We out here laboring in the vineyard.
Mom,
What?
we're going to follow the path.
I am following the path.
We are.
Yeah. Look at the apple field. Let's see how much apples we can foul in the field. It says go where the yellow flags are. We're gonna go where the yellow flags are. Look at this. See that apple? It's just sitting on the bench. I don't know what it's waiting for. They way back there. Look at them. Look at her. She's running way. Look at her.
I can run toward her.
No. I'll go. What about?
Really?
Oh, you're wearing red. You look like an apple today. An oversized apple in the field. He said you're gonna run to her and he still ain't move. Pulling the wagon through the farm. Ooh, I found yellow flags. She told us don't pick the extremely red ones. We follow the yellow flag. Oh, okay. Like it has a thing on it. How are we gonna get it? I've never picked apples before. Look at this. These are some nice juicy apples. Ouch. I look. What's this? Look. Apple. That one look, I don't know. This. Ooh, I picked one and they all fell. Oh my God, look guys. Look at this. Is it safe to eat it? I hope so. Grandma bit the apple.
I eat this one. I think I'm gonna see.
Grandma bit the apple. Yeah, look, wait. That look, you took out the tree?
Yes.
Look at these. I can't reach. Can't reach the top. Ooh, so I can reach the top of the tree.
Wait, you can do this.
Listen.